Beeswax is another natural ingredient that is great for lip care, as it helps to lock in moisture and protect the lips from the elements. When it comes to choosing natural lip care products, look for products that are free from harsh chemicals and synthetic additives. Instead, opt for products that are formulated with natural, non-toxic ingredients that are gentle on the lips and provide a range of benefits. Overall, natural lip care with honey and coconut oil is a great way to keep your lips soft, smooth, and moisturized. By using natural, non-toxic ingredients like honey and coconut oil, you can nourish and protect your lips without the use of harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. Whether you're struggling with dry, chapped lips or simply want to maintain healthy, beautiful lips, natural lip care with honey and coconut oil is a great place to start. Our lips require extra care and moisture due to having very few oil glands. Natural ingredients like honey and coconut oil offer gentle yet effective ways to nourish and hydrate dry, chapped lips and help restore softness and elasticity. Honey has natural humectant and emollient properties that make it ideal for lip care. As a humectant, honey attracts moisture from the air and seals it in the lips. Its high sugar content helps honey bind water molecules to the skin. Honey also contains natural antioxidants, antibacterial properties, and amino acids that nourish and heal lips. For soft, supple lips, apply raw or manuka honey directly to your lips and massage gently in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. The stickier consistency of honey helps it adhere to lips, allowing it to do its work overnight. Coconut oil contains fatty acids that penetrate lips to form an occlusive barrier and lock in moisture. It shields delicate lip tissue from external factors that cause dryness like the cold weather and indoor heating. Coconut oil's medium-chain triglycerides also improve cell permeability so it can deliver effective hydration from within. To use coconut oil as a lip treatment, apply a small amount directly to your lips and rub in thoroughly. Massage for a few minutes before rinsing off any excess and wiping away residue. You can also mix coconut oil with honey for an even more hydrating combination. In addition to honey and coconut oil, here are other natural ways to care for your lips. Exfoliate your lips once or twice a week using a mix of sugar and olive oil. The natural grains of sugar help slough away dead skin without abrasiveness while the oil nourishes. This allows treatments to penetrate better. Apply balms, oils and creams throughout the day to seal in moisture. Opt for products containing natural ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter and jojoba oil. Reapply often, especially during colder months. Limit licking your lips, which causes irritation and removes natural oils. Carry a lip balm with you at all times to re-moisturize as needed. Drink plenty of water to help hydrate lips from within. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water each day. Avoid very hot beverages that can dehydrate and chap lips over time.